Is a shape-shifting anomaly caught in the sky, and I'm showing it to you. This is a classified video that I was not supposed to show anybody, but I don't give a fuck anymore, so I'm showing you people this. I'm not supposed to show you this, but I don't care anymore, so I'm going to do it anyways. Hope you enjoy the show. This thing was dropping off spheres, and it was also pretending to be something else that it really wasn't. But it didn't fool me because I could see the aura around it, and it was more of actually a little bit of yellow, a little bit of green and purple around it. So I knew something was weird in the atmosphere. So fourth dimension is always dissecting and clashing and swiping into our dimension. Third dimension is just one XYZ axis, put in the coordinates, boom, there's your shape. But fourth dimension has more than one XYZ axis. It has about 5 or 6 more. So this is the reason why we see shapes changing and accelerating and rotating and moving and spinning, is because you need spin, you need rotation for the fourth dimension. The spin will always be present because they have to move and spin out of the other XYZ axis to enter ours. But we can't conceive of it because we don't see another XYZ axis. All we see is what we see. So it's really quite easy. There's something going on up over here, below it, and the other side as well. And they're all coming in at different angles, and they're splitting this up any which way they want. Whatever they want to do out of it. You want to make it into a plane, you want to make it into a fucking balloon, a kite. They don't care. They just don't care. And this video has been timed by my phone in my records to not play for any longer than about 2 or 3 minutes, and then it shuts off again and again and again and again and again and again and again, and it never stops. So here's the orb video. This is very, very sensitive information. Very sensitive. Okay, you ready? All right, here we are. This is orb. Well, we had orb number 1, but somebody else just moved everything. There's 2 orbs on deck. Two orbs on deck. 1, 2. This camera phone's horrible. I apologize. It's always the same one I've used before. So it travels down this tube. There it is. And let me pause this real quick. And it travels down this fake tube. Well, it's a tube. It's a tube that is well, it's pretending to be ribbon or something that you would tie a balloon to. It's not. This is a multi-dimensional shape-shifting craft that's pretending to be some sort of lost black balloons with golden lights and golden metallic plating. And there's the orb right in the bottom. Of course, you all know my camera. Ever since Samsung updated it, I can't really do anything anymore. I'm too stupid to know how to control my contrast, they said. Conspiracy. So now they do it for me because I'm mentally ill. I'm retarded. There it is in the bottom there. And that'll be the next sphere right here. See? So it's in the business of dropping off spheres. That's the same business as the gray spheres. They do that too. So this has gone up. Okay, let me explain this to you. This, nothing, let's just call it nothing to see here, folks, right? The nothing to see here, folks, mobile just extended its tube. Okay, it went higher. So therefore, the rope should have been cut off around here. But it's called magic rope, and you can buy it for $9.99 on CVS. It's a magic rope. You can cut it anywhere, and it always comes back, or it elongates, or goes away, whatever you want. It's alien. Who cares? It's on sale. Just look at this craft. I mean, it's just... I was told by the government not to show you four-dimensional crafts no more. We kindly oblige. If you ever need something, let me know. I don't need nothing but my camera, so stop flying over my house. It's a shame that my footage is better than yours and Dr. Greer's. When I say yours, my footage is better than the military-industrial complex. That's right. I film better anomalies than you guys. Did you hear that? I'm the winner. Larger consciousness system and I are inseparable. We have a relationship. That's my God. And the more people that don't want to believe in it, better for me. I'm being selfish right now. Good. What the hell is that? Let's just take a look at this. Let's just try to examine this for a second before Michael Cody changes the page like he always does. Right? Let's brighten this up. Let's just take a look at this thing. What the hell is that? Huh? That is called a I don't give a fuck what I look like fourth dimensions. I don't care. I'm here. I'm laying some eggs on your ass. I wanted to hit you in the head, Cody. That's why I was flying over you. I missed. I'm coming back tomorrow. This craft does not care whatsoever of the integrity of what it looks like. It does not give a shit. It doesn't care. I don't know what that is. I couldn't even describe it. It's like something you would see out of nothing. I've never seen anything like it before. I mean, at least the other ones had rhythm and beats and patterns. And I mean, they're crazy. Don't get me wrong. But this one's really fucked up. I don't know. Another sphere shot out of that one. So at least I know they're shooting spheres. I learned something that's classified to tell you guys. I'm not allowed to film any more UFOs that are fourth dimensional. And guess what I did? I filmed it because I'm not under contract and do what I want, man. Be all pay me. Why don't you pay me like $5 million and maybe I'll go away? Maybe. Or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just stay here and stick it out and to the very bitter end. Oh, we have a broken disc? What the hell is going on here? Let's just keep fast forwarding. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Let's go back one more frame. Wow. Did someone break their VCR tape? Did somebody break their old VCR tape? Huh? Ooh, cool. Looks like some sort of a weird alien drive-through or something, you know? Get yourself a cheeseburger and a shake or something like that. I don't know. I don't have to tell you. Alien house. 2-story alien house on sale for 15 million bazillion Dr. Evil dollars. Oh, weird. It's bending. That's a shocker. Why would my fourth dimensional... Why is my fourth dimensional shaped house changing shape? Because that's what it does, sir. They have multiple XYZ axes that are crossing over to ours. We just can't see the other ones. They're invisible, so we don't understand it. Oh, now I understand it. Thank you. Because Michael Cody taught me about it. Now it's easy to understand. Because he can see electromagnetic energy in the sky. And that's why he's able to film all these wonderful things. But no one believes me anyway, so it doesn't matter. But the larger consciousness system is pissed off. Because NASA and big government's been, lying. Hey, it's in 2 pieces. Now it's in 1 piece. It's in 2 pieces. It's in 1 piece. I love seeing these things. Oh, cool, huh? How awesome is that? This is a real video. Real video. I'm not a graphics designer. Just go ask my brother. And it's sailing off to the sunset, dropping off little spheres one at a time. What a nice thing. What a nice thing. Thank you for watching, everybody. So if I am shot or dead, it's because I decided to show you another fourth dimensional shape-shifting object. Because I will not be intimidated. I will have my rights to talk about these things if I choose to. It's my hard work. Hey, don't hate the player. Hate the game. Hate the game. Let me show you some more of these orbs. Okay, this is when it shot up from the sky. Obviously, this thing was trying its best to fake being a balloon as it was staring at me. All eyes on me. When I go to the club. All eyes on me. Not really. That's only if I wear a light on my hat. It looks like a manta ray. It's like, Dana, don't mess with my white spheres. Those are my babies, and I will kill you. With my shark eye right there in the middle, my big nose. Anyways, I just want to let you guys know that UFOs are real. And what's really crazy is that they're actually trying now to be part of our... They're trying really hard to be a part of our... there's a sphere. That sphere right there is going to be falling off pretty soon. Because it caught on to me when I found out that they were doing it through their fake string. And that's when he gave me the mean look, like, you know, look of Jaws. Do you see how he reacted when I pointed to him? See, I pointed? And watch what he does. He's like, no, get away. Yeah. Big crybaby. I'm going to be in trouble. Don't you dare show the public another fourth dimensional object, Mr. Cody. We know you can see things. We watch you in the sky. Please, this is confidential. Please don't show them this information. Well, larger consciousness system says I have to do it, sir. So that's my God. And my God is a loving, nice God. And he's allowed me to see all these miracles. So I'm not the second coming of Jesus, but I'm not someone who's not special either. I am special. Everybody's special. But they chose me because I have no fear of it. Zero. I wish I did. I really do. Ooh, can someone say the word, dragon? Now it's a dragon. What is that? Is that a handgun? Never mind. Anyways, that's what they look like. This is the video. I have it recorded a long time ago. And it moves around and it drops off spheres and it's wonderful. Right up your alley, UFO people. This is what they look like. This is what they're capable of doing. It's floated away undetected. The helicopters could have been there because the video and the experience was over 10, 12 minutes long. Trump lived right down the street. They didn't see nothing. None of our radar or gamma ray or X-ray saw anything. Not even infrared or near ultraviolet or far ultraviolet. Nothing. I'm the only one who saw this because I'm the only one who cares. At least around this part of town. There's some separation. And they came back together again. And now they're upside down. But they're kind of a plane. But no, they're not. They're falling apart again. Can't figure this out. Because it's not from here. It's alien. So why don't y'all just accept it for what it is? And yes, I did send you another fourth dimensional object. You're welcome. Thank you. I did that just to make the government mad. Because you know what? Nobody tells me what to do. Nobody. I quit my job last week. I feel like $1 million fucking dollars. Yeah. They're here to stay. And I got a lot more I can show you too. They're real, guys. They're real. This is what they do. They move, they shift, they change shape. You know that already. This is what they call the star one. This is the one that most people see in Brazil and see around the world, and they can see it when they look close to the sun or through a silhouette. This is basically a six-pointed star. I thought it was a five-pointed star. And what this does is it gives an image of a fake balloon or weather balloon, but then it instantly turns into this position here, which I saw a few times on my camera. But then it usually stays in this position longer, but it didn't this time. This is not the only time I've experienced these things. They're just imitation of human activity. You understand? That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.